Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Tinder application if it is not working as it is supposed to. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Tinder application but you notice various issues such as crashing or hanging which doesn't allow you to use the application smoothly, then there are a few ways that you can go about on fixing this issue. The first thing to check is to see if your internet connection is smooth and stable. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection and then open up any other application that uses the internet and see if these applications are working. If they are working just fine, then your internet connection is not to blame. So the second thing to check is to see if your application is updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and then search for the Tinder app. Once you find the Tinder application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Tap on the update button and wait for a little while until you see open once again. And once you see it, open the application up and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the Tinder app and then tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page. From here, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK. After stopping the application, scroll down and tap on storage and then tap on clear cache and see if this fixes your issue. If your application still doesn't work as it is supposed to, then the final step that you can take is tap on clear data and the delete button. After this step, you will need to log in to your Tinder account once again. But after logging in, you will see that your application is working as it is supposed to. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the issues on the Tinder application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.